Hi there, students. To infest, a verb. An infestation, a noun. Infested, an adjective. Okay, an infestation is when there is a problem because there are large numbers of animals or insects that carry disease. So the house was infested with mice and the cats just couldn't keep up with them. Okay, so if something's infested, something is present in large numbers. Yeah, some cities clearly are infested with cockroaches. There is an infestation of cockroaches. Let's see, you can probably use this slightly metaphorically to talk about a large number. So this pub seems to be infested with lawyers. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so infested with. Spread everywhere, swarming in a troublesome manner. So, yeah, this area is infested with crime. Or, yes, these are shark-infested waters. Okay, so to infest, it's full of them, full of something that you don't like. The plants were infested with aphids, so I used a little bit of soft soap and it cleared up the problem almost immediately. Okay, so to be overrun in large numbers of something harmful, something threatening, or something that you just don't like very much, yeah, is not very good. This area is infested with drugs. It's overrun. It's crawling with it. It's swarming with it. It's drug-ridden. It's alive with, yeah, look at this piece of wood. It's alive with woodworm. It's plagued with. It's beset by. Yeah, it's teeming with. Yeah, so I opened the sugar and it was infested with ants. Yeah, so eventually I just had to throw it away. Okay, so infested, full of. There are huge numbers of it. I think nearly always this is something something alive or something done by something alive. So infested, to infest, to plague, to harass, something that inhabits a place in large numbers. As to formality, to infest, infested, and infestation, 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, well, it comes from infesto, to attack, to molest, which itself comes from infestus, meaning hostile. Yeah. It's connected with manifestus as well. Okay, so enough. Infested. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Infested.